Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with the Magical Mystery Bead Box from Jessie Jane's Beads. This is May. Super excited about this. I have not peeked. Oh, I like their new packaging, and guess what? This month's theme is Think Pink. I love pink. Y'all know that. Here's a list of ingredients. Also, if you scan the code, it'll take you to some tutorials using the bead box. So that comes in your box. It is so pink. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I'll just give you a sneak peek. Look how pink it is. First item we have is this Pink Moon bead set. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's very sparkly. Oh my gosh, look at this Shambhala like covered heart. That is cool. Super duper cute. But also you could just put it on a ring. You can make a ring out of it, or you could just glue it to a ring base. Got two flowers on there. Oh, and the flower petals here are made out of little hearts. That's cute. Then we've got some really big, this is like 14 millimeter maybe, Shambhala beads. And then two 8 or 10 millimeter Shambhala beads. That's so super duper cute. And like very specialized because I haven't seen those anywhere. I believe in pink. Audrey Hepburn. This is some chain. And you know what? Now that I'm seeing this Pink Moon said fluoro metal chain, and then a bead mix for I Believe in Pink. I think those got mixed up. That's okay because this stuff is cool. Look at how pretty that is. I mean, you can make a really quick necklace out of this. And you're good to go. Look, it's got little tiny rose gold heart or stars and then little tiny rhinestones. That is adorable. That would be such a beautiful like little layered necklace. Maybe we'll make a necklace. We've got Anything is Possible with Sunshine and a Little Pink Lily Pulitzer. These little shrimps. Oh, they're little shrimps. Oh my gosh, that is cool. So it could be a connector for a bracelet. It could be a connector for a necklace. It could be a dangle for an earring. And I like that they are opposites of each other. So you could do two earrings facing two different ways. That is super duper cute. I think this would be so fun for a summer pair of earrings with like a shell, nautilus or something, and then like some fringe at the bottom. Super duper cute. Next we have Smile. There's Rose. And we've got some rondelles, some rondelle spacers, some acrylic Shambhala beads, some large hole Pandoras, some bling balls, some cage beads, more crystals, and then it repeats. That is one blingy strand of beads. If you like pink, this is your box. If you don't like pink, I'm sorry, but I do. One is Look on the Pink Side of Life. More crystals, like a nice coin, nice square. Look at this guy. That thing has a lot of cup chain on it. It's really cool. Pearl and crystal cup chain. And then it repeats. Oh, and then we've got this big drop at the end there. That's cool for a pendant. What's this? Pink. Oh, there's two different things here. Pink makes the world a better place. This is just some chain. Okay. And then we've got Be a Flamingo in a Flock of Pigeons. That is so cute. Look at those. Those are some really nice pave flamingos. Those are adorable. Those and the shrimp are super duper cute. The rose-colored glasses. This looks like a finding set. Okay, so it sometimes could be hard to find rose gold toned findings, so they included them in this box. We've got ear wires, we've got head pins, we've got two different types of clasps, and then we've got a couple different sizes of jump rings, maybe 3 different sizes. So that's pretty cool. And a little cute carrying case for them. And then we've got, what is this? Think Pink. These are little metal, I don't know if there's metal. They're gold cube beads. They're probably glass. And this is taped shut, so I will open that off camera. But really tiny cubes, probably 4 millimeter. Cute, cute, cute. And then last but not least, we have You Can Never Go Wrong with a Little Bit of Pink, or a little pink, a lot works too. Dana Delgetti. I don't know who that is, but they were right. Okay. So let's pour this out and see what we've got. Spoiler alert, a lot of pink. Wow, look at that big guy. More Shambhala. They have really put the sparkle in this one, like with that first set. And then look at this big guy next to it. And then we also have the Shambhala beads on here. Lots of pave stuff. This is really gorgeous. We've got some glass beads. More glass made to look like stone. These are crackle, two-tone, a little bit of orange in there. We've got some cat's eye beads. Oh, those are pretty. Some little porcelain beads with little pink flowers on them. Some moon glow. Well, not moon glow. This is more like mermaid glass. Super duper cute. Little crystal pumpkins with an AB on them or luster. Look at these stars. Look at the stars. Oh my gosh. That's one of my favorites. More Shambhala beads. They did not scrimp on the Shambhala beads. Really cute little beaded pearl beads. And some more glass. And then we have two different styles of crystals. We have a round faceted and like a gem style one. And then we have some metal. So we have crystal rondelle spacers, some bead caps, 2 different sizes, and then a daisy spacer. Very cool mix. I'm intrigued. I really wanted to make a necklace or like a layerable necklace with this chain. I love how dainty it is. Let me plan something out. We'll make a quick tutorial. Okay, I decided actually after seeing that chain a different way, I decided to make a pair of earrings instead. So we're gonna be using these awesome hearts. They're just so cool. One of the tiny pumpkins from that You Can Never Go Wrong with a Little Bit of Pink mix, and one of the filigrees. I also need one of the smallest jump rings, an ear wire, and then I did grab a head pin that's rose gold tone from my stash. This is the Beadalon head pin. I am also going to cut 3 lengths of this chain, and I didn't even measure it, but except for like I didn't measure it with a ruler. I measured it with, I'll show you. So I'm gonna leave like it starts with the rhinestone on the end, and then I go up 2 stars, and I cut off after the large link with the star. So I'm gonna do that 3 times, and yes, I'm using different nippers because I can't find my nippers. So I'm going to do that again, go up 2 stars and cut after the larger link. And I'll do that one more time. And they're pretty consistent. They might be off by a link or 2, but you're not going to be able to tell. These earrings are so cute. They're like kawaii, not Hawaii, kawaii. And they're like, they kind of remind me of what something like a Sailor Moon fan would wear or something. So I'm going to put my eye pin through my bead. I'm going to put on my pumpkin, put on my bead cap, bend at 90 degrees, and trim off to about a ½ inch. And then I'm going to roll that back into a simple loop with my round nose pliers. And we don't have to pay attention to what direction the loop's going at this point. We will have to later when we put on our ear wire. So then I'm going to open up my jump ring. Honestly, 5-minute pair of earrings, but they're so cute. I'm going to go ahead and open that up, put on my jump ring, and then find my star end, and then go through one of the larger jump rings, doesn't matter which, and load on all 3 pieces of this chain. And then we'll simply close up that jump ring by twisting it closed. And then we'll find our ear wires. And slip that on. And then press this closed so it can't escape. And here are our adorable, what I'm calling girl power earrings. Look at those, ultra feminine. Like that's feminine in your face. Back out a little bit. I love them so much. I wish I wore earrings more often than I do because these are super duper cute. But I know like my niece is gonna love them. I know like high school girls will love them, college girls. I mean, honestly, I'd wear them if I wore earrings. I wear anything. I don't care if it's age appropriate or not. So love them. Super duper sparkly. The whole box was so pink, so sparkly. I'm in heaven. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in subscribing to the Magical Mystery Bead Box, I'll put the link in the description. If you were subscribed before and you haven't resubscribed, you need to do that because they have a whole new like subscription. So check it out. I'm so excited about these earrings. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. Okay, sun tanning? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Now here, Mommy's opening up her rock tumbler. Yeah. Yeah. We got some new tumbled pieces. Well, they'll be pretty when I wash them off, right? You guys don't care. You don't care. Hi, good morning. Good morning.